As it becomes increasingly common to use AI-assisted writing tools, you need to make sure that you are fact-checking, proofreading, and doing everything you can to avoid plagiarism so that you are not accused of cheating. There are many free AI-assisted writing apps such as Chat AI or Poe and Sage. As an example, I fed in a request to write a 150-word essay about a festival. It took 2 attempts because the first suggestion was a bit too long. Then I used a paraphrasing tool or a rephrasing tool to see how much that would avoid AI detection for plagiarism. The rephrasing tool I used is called Quillbot, and that is free up to a certain number of words. It's very important to fact-check the given information and to proofread it. I have not done that here so that you can see what happens when you don't, but it is very important to add your own input. No matter how many sources, apps, or tools that you use to help you, this is still your work. This should come from you as well as whatever you've used to help you, okay? After this, you can check for AI detection and plagiarism on an app or a site such as gptradar.com. Even if you get a good score for originality, it is still vitally important to add your own input. The accuracy of these programs is still far from perfect. But no matter how much assistance you use along the way, you must strive to create your own work using your own brain and your own moral judgment. Some of your teachers will be a lot more hot on this kind of technology than me, so watch out. And remember to make it your own.